Hey guys, it's Matt Mick here with Lincoln Select Real Estate Group at Nebraska Realty. And I'm here today to talk about another real estate topic that often comes up, and that is, can I use the untapped equity in my house to buy another house or a boat or a vacation or whatever you want with the equity that you guys have earned in your home? And the question for that is, it's very likely you can. And I'm going to cover three of the most common ways homeowners are doing that today. So I do want to lead off here with I am not a financial planner or advisor or lender. So if you do decide to take this route, please consult somebody that specializes in handling this before you throw all your ducks in that bucket there. So if you are like many homeowners though today, you probably have a ton of equity in your house. Over the past 5 years, we've just seen tremendous growth in equity in home ownership, and that has allowed a lot of people to really build up wealth that some of us now are curious, can I use that wealth without having to save my home? And absolutely you can. And that's why I'm going to hit these three topics. So the first way that most homeowners can do this is you can simply do what's called is getting a home equity loan. And so what that means is you're going to keep your current mortgage and you're simply going to get a second loan on the equity portion of what you own there as far as your home is concerned. Now, what that means is that the bank is likely going to use your home as collateral, and because of that, it's a pretty safe bet for them. So a lot of times you can get some better rates there. Some cons to that are you're taking out a lump sum of money that you are going to be responsible for the interest and fees on that continuously until you pay that back off in full. So there are some pros and cons there. The second option that most homeowners have today is a HELOC or home equity line of credit. And so what a home equity line of credit does is similar to the first one, right? You're going to use the equity in your home, but instead of taking out a lump sum, it's more treated like a credit card. So you're going to basically work with a bank to have access on demand to that money that you can use to fix up your house, buy another house, use it to go have some fun, whatever you feel like you'd like to use that money for. The benefit here though is that you are only paying on that money when you use it. So you can have that sitting in the background untapped and you don't have to spend any money on that as far as paying that off until you decide that you need to use that to do whatever you would like to do. So it's a pretty good option there. And then the third most common option, and we've seen this a lot here over the past 3 to 5 years, and that's simply is a cash out refinance. So unlike the first one, with a cash out refinance, you are taking out a lump sum of money, but you're actually going to be creating an entirely new loan. So your previous mortgage will go away. You will create an entirely new mortgage, and you will then get a check to you of a bulk amount that you will now be responsible to pay on until that you have paid it all the way off. So it is a good way to get money, but again, like the first, you do end up having to pay on that, that amount of money that you've taken out, so that principal, until you've paid it off. And with that route, that's going to usually be a 15-year note or a 30-year note, so you pay on that for quite a while. So if you guys are looking to, tap into that equity, buy an investment property, an Airbnb, a boat, whatever it may be, the first step really would be, reach out to a local real estate professional like us here at Lincoln Select. We can help you identify how much equity you have, and then you can use that information to go start that conversation at the bank or with your financial advisor. So guys, thanks so much for checking us out today. If you have any questions, about your equity or what your home might be worth, of course, reach out to us. We'd love to help. Take care. Hey, thanks so much for checking out our video and watching till the end. If you're looking for more content about real estate, just simply subscribe over here to the right. And if you want more information on what your home is worth, check out sellyourhomelincoln.com to get an evaluation done, and one of our listing specialists will reach out to you to help you determine that final price. Thanks again.